Okay, sir. For this,
And then you're also excluding teaching and teaching-related positions in elementary, secondary, tech-voc, state universities, colleges, non-chartered tertiary schools. So, now, DepEd was not mentioned. SHED was not mentioned. You're only referring to teaching and teaching-related positions. Do I take it that DepEd is included? SHED is included insofar as non-teaching items are concerned.
you are correct, Mr. Chair.
So when you say teaching and teaching-related positions, paano yung teacher na ginawang secretary ng supervisor? Ang dami nun Teacher na ginawang secretary, bodegero, utusan ng supervisor.
They have
Kasi
to
wala namang non-teaching personnel ang DepEd O konti lang
Yes,
Ano yun?
Mr. Chair. They have to look into the item or the plantilla of that work of the employee, Mr. Chair. We know for a fact that some of them will be doing multiple tasks in the school, but we look into their item or plantilla where they are employed.
Shouldn't we also look at exactly what they're doing? Isn't that what right sizing is about? If that item is not being used by that person for the function he or she is supposed to perform, then shouldn't she be given that position instead of a teaching position? Kaya ang ganda ng student to teacher ratio mo sa papel. Pero sa classroom ang pangit kasi hindi naman talaga nagtuturo yung mga yun All principals hold teaching positions. About 90% of principals don't actually teach anymore. Kasi ang dami daw nilang ginagawa, ang daming kailangan gawin. Boss na raw sila ng mga teacher, ayaw na nila magturo. And yet they hold teaching positions, So isn't that part of right sizing, looking at what they're doing, not only the position they're holding?
Yes, you're correct, Mr. Chair, that this is also a good opportunity for us to look into their mandates and actual
can we include that in the
job
bill?
functions.
Can you include that somewhere in the bill na hindi lang yung position o item niya pero yung ginagawa niya talagang trabaho to find out if indeed the
particular
position
position.